Hey guys, we are back at the 3-bed buy-to-let in Stirchley, Birmingham. So what we're going to do is we're going to start upstairs today because this is where most of the work has been done, and then we'll work our way backwards to the front of the house. All right, let me turn the camera around. Okay, so this is the master bedroom, so the largest room in the house. Right view of the outside. There's a nice sort of grass area there. Those windows are really big. Unfortunately, we have to change them to make them more compliant, which is a shame because they're really thick, and it's traffic out, it's traffic rush hour right now, and there's absolutely no noise whatsoever. So the redecorating is mostly being done upstairs this week or last week. And all the doors have been repainted and the door handles have been put on. All the curtain poles have been taken down, all the blinds have been taken down as well. So everything looks a bit more presentable. That will be done near the end, I think. So that's a bit more complicated. Fortunately, these radiators are pretty good and they look pretty recent, so that saves a bit of money. There you go, so big old room. And that area has been repainted as well. That would be the sort of the wardrobe. So that's the door there, and these are the new door furniture. And then, as you can see, a bit better here. More paint, more redecorating. Room 2, better decorating. That's all the door handles throughout. So now, as you can see, we've kept the doors in the end. Just repainted them. Actually, it came out pretty good. The reason I like keeping the original doors is there's just a lot more character to them, a lot more cost effective, and also there's a bit more detail, and they will fit the look of the property better because obviously they were designed with the original property in mind. It's a pretty nice garden, nice neighbours around here. Okay. Again, door's been repainted, door furniture. I think there'll be more work on this shortly. So the electrician's coming back to change that light to a proper bathroom light. And the windows are coming tomorrow, I think. The new windows are coming tomorrow. This is the 3rd bedroom. This is the smallest room, but pretty decent size. I think that's nice. Oh, that's nice. So yeah, really nice gardens. So interestingly, we put up a 3-bed house in this area to rent, and recently, in fact just a few days ago, and there's been loads and loads of interest on it, and the rent on it is quite good. So that to me is a very good indicator. So once we put this property up, I should hope we'll get the same sort of interest, although this is going to come on in October-ish, I would have thought, which means it's generally a bit quieter at that time. But let's see. We're already starting the viewings here actually. So this is the bathroom. Kevin's got a new pipe thing for the shower. Basically all the touch and feely bits will be changed because that's what leaves an impression with tenants. So for example, sockets, stuff like that, door handles, throughout, they all be changed. That window is going to be changed, and that window is going to be changed as well. So front reception room, double reception room. The floor, so with the electrical works, the rewire, we didn't need to come up through the flooring in the end, which meant that we could save this floor, and then Gavin gave it a good scrub down, and actually that's not bad. It hasn't warped, it hasn't come off, it hasn't bubbled. So we're going to try and keep this floor and save some money as well. That's not bad. So maybe what I'll do is I'll ask Gavin to go around and change all the what's it called, beading along here, because that would make a great impression. But yeah, I mean, that's a big old window. That's a really good window. Again, blinds have been taken down and then back here to the front. So that's the window. All the blinds have been taken down and now we're trying to decide whether to keep it or replace it. I suspect it's probably better to keep it at this stage and it makes a great impression. Okay. And then that's the sort of the entrance, which we'll do at the end as well. And I think this is still sort of warping, so I'll make sure that Nguyen sorts that out. But I think this one would have to, lift all that up and then put some new beams underneath. And then we'll probably just put maybe commercial carpeting along here for the entrance. Because if we put different, it's going to be probably tricky to find a matching laminate design, and if we put a different laminate design, it would just look weird. Like that would look weird compared to this. So it's probably better just to mix up the texture and put commercial carpeting there as well, and it'll feel nicer when you walk in. Okay, I think that's it. So this is, I think, week 3. It's not too much rubbish. And I think, yeah, so week 3, because there's so much interest on the other property which is near here, I've started marketing this property and we're starting to take viewings. I haven't actually created an ad. It's just, if you're interested in it, you might as well, you might also be interested in this. And I direct our prospective tenants to this video, in fact, or videos, development videos. So, you know, prospective tenants can see what's going on and see that we're really transparent about things. So as you can see, our prospective tenants will see exactly everything in this video and everything I've discussed, and that will get them up to speed as well. Also, at this stage, if a prospective tenant, say if you're a prospective tenant looking at this video, what we generally do is allow prospective tenants input on the finish of this property, and then that prospective tenant can really have it just the way they want it, within reason, obviously. But that's also a nice touch, and if I can do that, if I can offer that to our prospective tenants, to our prospective clients, I am more than happy to do that, because the longer the tenant stays, the better it is for them, the better it is for our landlord client, and the better it is for us. Kitchen, this will be done at the end, afterwards. I think, yeah, also the lights down here is going to be changed as well. That one is going to be changed into one of those sort of bathroom lights. Anyway, my name's Nguyen. We're letting manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. All right, see you.